In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear formatting in Google Docs. Whether you're streamlining your document for consistency or you just want to start fresh with a clean slate, knowing how to clear formatting effectively is a valuable skill. By the end of this video, you'll be proficient at removing any unwanted styles from your text, leaving you with a basic, unformatted text that you can style as you desire. Let's get started by opening Google Docs. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. You can easily find it by typing in Google Docs into your search engine and clicking the link. This should bring you to the Google Docs homepage, where all your existing documents are listed, along with the option to create a new document. For today's task, locate the document where you wish to clear formatting. Simply click on the document to open it in Google Docs. Once your document is open, and you can see the text you'd like to work with, the next step is to select the text area from which you want to remove formatting. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. Alternatively, if you're clearing formatting in the entire document, you might well use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all the text. Now that your text is selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll find a menu option labeled Format. Click on Format to reveal a drop-down menu that offers various formatting options. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Clear Formatting. You'll notice an immediate change in your document once you click this option. All applied formatting, such as bold, italics, font styles, and sizes, will be removed, reverting your text to the default style. Now your text is completely unformatted, giving you the opportunity to style it anew if you wish. This can be incredibly useful if you've pasted text from other sources and formatting got carried over, or if you're applying new styles to a previously formatted document. This method ensures your document is uniform and professional looking, without the clutter of various formatting styles. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with text areas to see how clearing formatting impacts your document. And soon enough, you'll handle it like a pro. Feel free to pause this video anytime and try these steps as you walk through the process with